Hi guys, I am Aishwarya. If you like my channel, please do subscribe, like, share with all your friends and relatives. I make learning videos. I try and make your learning a bit easy. So without any further delays, let's get started with the session. Hi guys, welcome to the fourth section of learning HTML. And in this section I'm going to talk about tags. In my previous video I told you how you can create your first website using Hello World. If you haven't watched that video, you can go and check out my YouTube channel and watch my previous video and then come to this video and check out this video. And before that, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the bell icon, and do all the necessary things that needs to be done. Okay, so let's get started. In this video I'm going to talk about more HTML tags, more about HTML. And in my previous video, a quick recap, I told you about the HTML tag. Now the website will be content inside the HTML tags, that is the starting HTML tag and the ending HTML tag, right? Now the HTML tag comes in pairs. So if there is a starting HTML tag, there has to be an ending HTML tag, right? Most of the HTML tags are in pairs. Okay, as you can see in the window in my left hand side, there are like this HTML starting tag and this is the HTML ending tag. Inside the HTML tags, I told you there are two tags. Two most important tags. One is the head tag. One is the head tag. This is the starting of the head tag and this is the ending of the head tag. And another important tag is the body tag. This is the starting of the body tag and this is the ending of the body tag. Okay. Now there are a few points that I wanted to discuss in this video. The first point is you have to remember that the HTML tags are contained between angle brackets. As you can see, these are angle brackets. Okay, so here every tags are within the angle brackets. Now the next point is that within an HTML tag you can include several HTML tags. Like for example, inside the body tag, if you want to structure the web page more and more nicely, then you can actually change the font size of the text. You can actually define which text is what. Suppose you can use paragraph tag to indicate that a particular text is a paragraph, and you can use heading tag to indicate that this is a heading tag. Okay, so this is, if I specify this as p tag, then this will be an ending p tag. Okay, and now this is the paragraph tag, which is the p tag that I was talking about. Another thing is, inside the paragraph tag, if you want to make the text more prominent, then you can add a heading tag h1 to indicate that this is a heading inside the paragraph tag, right? So as I was telling you that inside a particular HTML tag, you can include several other HTML tags as well. Okay, and this was the third point that I was talking about. The fourth point is that there are several heading tags. Like this is the largest heading tag, which is the h1 tag. There are also tags. I'm going to comment this section and I'm going to There are other heading tags like H2 tags. Okay, obviously there is a closing H2 tag. There are H3 tag, right? There are H4 tag. Now H1 tag is the largest heading tag. The heading will be really large, okay? And the H2 tag is not that much large as the H1 tag. So, and this goes so on and so forth, like H3 and H4 is the smallest heading tag, okay? I'm going to comment this section, okay? So that this portion is not at all included. No, this comment does not work, okay? Over here I told you if you want to put any amount of text inside your HTML code, you can comment a section, but in case of tags the comment section is not working, as you can see. So what do we use, what tag do we use if we have to comment a particular tag? Okay, so here the tag that we will use is ampersand lt and ampersand gt. Okay, so there is no need of this comment section. And here this is ampersand lt. Now what is ampersand lt? I'm going to rub this all off. You can actually put ampersand lt and gt in place of the starting and ending angle tags. Now ampersand sorry, my bad. Ampersand lt is indicates this sign, and ampersand gt indicates this sign. Okay, sorry, this sign. Rub this all off so that it's clear for you. So since we use angular tags in HTML code, but if we have to comment a particular tag and we want to include that tag within our paragraph, then we can use ampersand ltgt in place of the angular tags, okay, to signify that that portion is a part of the text. So you've learned a new tag then. So I'm going to rub it off. Now, the fourth most important point about what I was talking about is HTML tags are not case sensitive. Now, what do you mean by not case sensitive is that if you write a p tag like this, closing p tag, and on the contrary, if you write a p tag like this, these two p tags are similar. As you can see, this is a lowercase p and this is an uppercase p. So the HTML code is not affected if you use the uppercase p or a lowercase p. It is not case sensitive. You can write the tags as you like. Okay, as I have written HTML like this, I can also write HTML in caps lock as well. Okay, then I will have to change this to caps lock. Okay, so this will not affect your code. So particularly these are the main points. Another important tag that I wanted to discuss about is the suppose I'm going to show you that hello world full stop. If you include another text like you are beginning to you are starting to learn about tags. You are starting to learn about tags. And if you refresh this, what happens? Sorry, I have to save this. Now I'm going to refresh this. Yes, you can see how this h1 tag is working. Now what happens if we change this to h2? I'm going to show it to you next. But what I was telling you is, as you can see, after hello world, the next line is starting just after hello world. There is no space between this hello world and the next line. If I want this next line, that this line, you are starting to learn about tags, if I want this line to start from the next line, and I do not want this line to start right after hello world, then what will I do? As you can see, if I increase the amount of space and refresh, it does not affect the website. Okay, any changes or any spaces in the code will not affect the website at all. So in that case, what do I have to do if I have to put a new line? Now in that case, what we can do is put a BR tag. Okay, now I'm going to save this, refresh. Yes, now this thing is achieved. As you can see that if I want to make a line start from a new line, then I will use this BR tag to break that particular line and give the output of the next line into a new line. Okay, so this is the usage of BR tag. And another important point about this BR tag is BR tag is not a pair tag. For example, like you've seen in the other tags, that all the other tags, most other tags have a starting tag and an ending tag. There are pair tags, but BR tag is one such tag which does not have another closing pair. Okay, BR is the only tag, does not have a closing tag. You do not have to use a closing tag in case of BR tag. Okay, so these are the basic important points that I wanted to discuss about tags. Now, a quick recap. The first point says that HTML are surrounded by the two characters, that is the starting and the closing angle brackets, which is true. The tag name can either start from an alphabet or an underscore. Okay, the text between the start and the end tag is the element content. As I told you, the start and the ending tags, within the start and the ending tags are the content of your web page. The fourth point says that the tag with opening and closing can have any number of tags within yourself. HTML tags are not case sensitive, and the P tag can be written as a capital P tag as well. Now, HTML tags are normally have pairs and they are known as container tags, but the exception is BR tag. Okay, BR tag is an exception of the normal HTML tag since it does not have a closing tag. So this is it about this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, hit the bell icon, and comment down below if you have any doubt, and do watch this section for my next video tutorial. Thank you. Keep learning, keep sharing.